Hey guys, this is Praveen. Hope you are doing good. Okay, in this video, we're gonna see about a problem in leetcode, which is named delete node in a linked list 237. Like, it's a problem. We want to delete a node from a linked list, but the trickier part is something we are not given a head of the linked list, but rather we want to delete the node which is given as the input. So we are given the you can see here, you will not be given access to the head of the linked list. Instead, you will be given access to the node to be deleted directly. So we are given this node, actually the 5. So if we print the node, it will print like a 519. Okay, we are not given the head of the linked list, so it's something hard to delete delete such thing. Like if you are given a head, we can delete it easily. We can just change the if you want to delete the 5, if you are given a head, we can just change the head's link to 1. We can just change just like that, and we are get rid of 5. Okay, it's easy, it looks easy, but in this case we are not given the head. Rather we are given the access to node to be deleted directly. So in this case we cannot change like that. We cannot do something like deleting that current node. So instead we are doing a trickier answer. It's the only way, I guess. So what we are doing is something, we are just changing this value to the next value. Like we are changing this value to 1, and we are just deleting this node. So it looks like this after that. So what I'm saying is, just we are changing this 5 to 1. So it will become 4 1 1 and 9. Then we delete this node. We can delete this node easily. We are just changing this node's next equal points to 9, so it will get rid of this one. So so we achieve this as the result. So we are indirectly deleting that. So what there is only two step. We are just first copying the next element's value to this current element, and we are just deleting the next element, so we get this as a result. So the first thing we gonna do is, we have to copy this. So node is something we want to delete, which is in this case it is 5. So node dot value equal to node dot next dot value, which is node dot value 5 equal to 1. So here it will be replaced as 1. So it will look like, now it will look like 4 1 1 and 9. So now we want to change the link. Now we want to change the 5's link, this given node's link to points to 9, the one after element. So how we gonna do is, node dot next equal to node dot next dot next. So we can achieve that. Now the given node dot next will points to the one after it, which is 9 here. So we are not gonna we are not supposed to return anything. It will change internally, so the test cases will pass internally. We are just changing the reference of the input given. So we are not we don't have to return anything as output. So let's run the code. It looks like an easier problem. If you found the trickier answer, it may be easier. So yeah, it's accepted. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's passed all the test cases. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let's meet up in another video.